To check Pandas Dataframe column for true/false, if true, check another column for condition to satisfy and generate new column with values pass/fail. Input explained. I have a dataframe df, which holds column space and threshold. Scenario to consider. When df space is true, check df threshold, lower or equal than 0.2, and if both conditions satisfies, generate a new column called df space underscore test, with value pass/fail. If df space value is false, put false as value to newly generated column df space underscore test. Expected output. Tried code. Have tried out the below mentioned code line for above mentioned scenario but doesn't works. In need of help to resolve this. Thanks in advance.
Another solution. If true or boolean, your solution is simplified by compare by df space only. Alternative with numpy.select.
If you want to support the channel, please invest